Euro currency moves lower today, getting all the way down to 108.80 after printing a high of 109.55 earlier in the session. It was a big move lower after we got some big PPI data that came in much stronger than expected, and that coupled with Tuesday's higher than expected CPI sent the dollar soaring higher and the euro moving lower. Today's close at 108.80, its lowest in over a week as Fed rate cut expectations continue to decline. Today, we're seeing roughly 65% odds that the Fed will cut rates in June, with only 2 fully priced rate cuts for the entirety of 2024. So a big change as inflation comes in higher, the dollar moves up and the euro moves down, closing today right near 108.80. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You will see the volatility has been trending lower for all of 2024. However, we did start to see a little bit of an upturn today as prices declined. And it wasn't just in FX. We saw uptick in volatility pretty much across the board as volatility in the marketplace has been suppressed. Now with this big move after higher than expected inflation readings this week, we're starting to see that volatility come back, and we saw it in the euro today. Lastly, let's talk about what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. We do get the Empire Manufacturing Index. We get the University of Michigan, which has in it its own embedded inflation expectations. But ultimately, the market's going to be kind of trying to see what happens next after these higher than expected inflation data. Will the market continue to take out rate cuts, or will they start to balance a little bit? It'll be interesting to see in the wake of what's happened this week. So heading into Friday, we see the euro moving lower to its lowest point in over a week, hanging in around 108.80 ahead of tomorrow's Empire Manufacturing and University of Michigan conference.